Hey, just Sam Brown here from Sensationail. Today we're going to go through a DIY mani at home. I hope you guys enjoy it and keep on watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and the bell notification button. Ching! Make sure you prepare your nail nicely and get the desired shape. You get a cuticle stick and a filer in your pack. After that, you want to go ahead and use the gel cleansers and the little pads that you get in there. And then your gel primer to ensure your nail polish stays all intact. Afterwards, you want to use the clear, transparent gel base coat and go ahead and put one little layer of that and then cure it. After that, you want to go ahead and use a coat of Pink Chiffon and cure that. And then once again, you do that a second time. Once that's all done, you want to go ahead and use your top coat and give that a nice layer, cure that, and finally but not least, give it a good old cleanse. So just a few tips for aftercare. Make sure not to submerge your hands into water for 24 hours. And as always, don't forget, they're not tools. They're beautiful nails and they're jewels. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to leave me a comment down below and I hope you join me next time. See ya! Hey, just Sam Brown here from Sensationail. Today I'm going to show you a at-home DIY. Hey, just Sam Brown here from Sensationail. Today I'm going to go through a at-home DIY. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to let me down. 1, 2, 3.